And just relax your head down this way into my hand. There we go. Okay, relax over a little bit further. There we go.
I really pray to meet somebody like you, man. Let me tell you, that app is just a gift.
Well, we don't know yet. We need results, right? The
You
plus
actually
side is
get dizzy.
the fun a little bit. Okay, so you were just telling me there a second ago. You drove 2.5 hours, but when your headaches started, they just out of nowhere. You were 48, and they just boom.
About 5 years
And
ago.
you feel like from all the work you did in dentistry,
Yes.
this whole upper part, and
Yes.
you've had treatments, you had prednisone, nerve blocks.
Yep.
But these in here, and you said it just up into that side.
And nothing I've been through works.
No. And when they start, you told me it's kind of, where is it at? Kind of comes up in the head?
So it comes from the base of the skull
Yep.
all the way up here, and pain level from 1 to 10, 15.
Like
So
twice a
it's-
week, too.
Yeah, so it's incapacitating. You cannot do anything. You cannot
So you
breathe, drink, eat, sleep, work, drive. It's just zero.
Basically just kind of knocks you out. And you have to just go to sleep, close
Well,
your eyes.
I kind of lay down,
Okay.
and you just have to wait it out.
Gotcha. And then it'll just break. You don't
Yeah.
really do anything for it. It just kind of
And
breaks.
it takes
then-
about 2 hours.
Okay.
So I'm out for 2 hours, just praying that it will go away.
Good thing you're not still doing all the work you were doing, huh? That would have made work hard, wouldn't it? You have to tell the staff you're laying down in the back room for the next 2 hours. And it's kind of crazy you started getting them after you stopped work and doing all your redundant stuff.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Maybe too many years of.
Oh, wear and tear, 100%.
Wear and tear.
It just was a time bomb that finally gave out. You guys are over from Ohio, formerly Florida, formerly South America.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
From
so this is
Cochabamba, Bolivia. Oh my God!
that's a lot of letters you just said there. I know you said Bolivia.
You have some power in your fingers.
I know. Well, they should be nice and arthritic in the next 10 years, so that's the thing. Can't push like this forever. Right there, huh?
Oh my God.
And you said when I hit that little spot right there, you felt like it's right up in the head?
Yes.
Okay. That's what we're looking for. Okay, drop your chin down. Beretta's out here trying to figure out which one of them to play with the most. I had to take her rope because she wouldn't leave him alone. He stopped playing, she started growling at him, throwing the rope.
That's my fault. I'm like, oh, here, don't wait.
Yeah, that's what I said. I said, get him the rope. She grabbed it and wouldn't even stop.
Oh my God.
Yeah, did you feel that?
Yes, sir.
Last one up here, okay? Now I'm going to get the left side a little bit too, because you got one, you got the other. If it's not moving right. And then when we started there,